So we've got this chart, and we're going to go right down. We're going to compare Paleolithic to Neolithic, and we're going to look at the cultural and this thing called demographics, the study of the movements and patterns of people. Cultural. In the Paleolithic era, before farming, the situation was like this. People created cave paintings and they made simple statues of fertility goddesses, but organized religion did not exist. People were either polytheistic, and we'll talk about what that means, or they were animistic, which meant they believed in energy around that lived in the rocks and the plants and the animals. But things changed drastically in the Neolithic era once people began to farm. Culture changed quite a bit. The arts, like painting and sculpture and literature and poetry and architecture, things like pyramids and temples and palaces, became important features of civilization. And organized religions with priests and holy books and rituals and ethical codes emerged and became important aspects of life. And then the demographic situation. In the Paleolithic era, before people farmed, people lived in small groups of 20 to 40. Larger groups could not be supported by hunting and gathering. You couldn't gather or hunt enough food within walking distance to support more than that. And people were nomadic. They followed animal migrations in order to provide food for the group. But in the Neolithic era, once people learned how to farm, it was different. Some people, eventually the majority, began to live in villages and even cities with large populations.